morning, all of you. Today, I would like to talk about an important development in India's vaccination program. And so, you know about the Serum Institute of India, right? It has been in news, since many years, mainly from 2020, and has developed recently the HPV vaccine called Sarvavac, and it is currently making headlines. And today it was in the Indian Express, and this is the article if you can see. Okay, and according to this report, Sarvavac may be included in India's national immunization program, and like after 2027. So right now the vaccination is given in 2 doses. However, that scientists are conducting studies to find out whether a single dose can provide the same level of protection. The study is being carried out by ICMR, and the results are expected next year. So if the single dose vaccine proves to be effective, it will make vaccination much easier and more affordable for the government. That this is especially important for for women, or especially the girls which are 14-year-old, because HPV infection is one of the major cause of cervical cancer among women, right? By increasing vaccination coverage, India can significantly reduce the number of cervical cancer cases in future. And the cost of this vaccine will be 2000 rupees according to the market, and the government has not yet announced the price at which it will make this vaccine available. So now let's understand further about it. So another interesting point mentioned in this article is that the researchers are comparing these two vaccines which are in the market. One is of Sarvavac and another one is of Gardasil, an HPV vaccine that is already being used, and the first dose is given. So the comparison will help us determining whether this vaccine offers similar protection. So the two vaccine will be compared by testing the level of antibodies that persist against the two most common strain, mainly 16-year-old and 18-year-old. Here you can see that let me highlight it. You can see here also. So basically a retrospective study will be done, and here the meaning of retrospective study is written. So study where people who have missed one dose of vaccination are selected from among the population, and outcome compared to have from the population, and their outcomes are compared of those who have completed the 2 dose. So in India, this is the status that 85%